Hello students, in this video we are going to do the project 2-digit 7-segment display with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that we need a 7-segment display, jumper wires and an Arduino Uno from our kit. To do the project, we need to create the circuit as per this schematic diagram. Connect the A to G pins on the 7-segment display to Arduino pins D2 to D8. Connect the segment 1 on the 7-segment display to Arduino pin D13. Connect the segment 2 on the 7-segment display to Arduino pin D12. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Uno using Arduino IDE as shown in our previous tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to check the 7-segment display that shown number 00 to 99. Where can we use this project in real world? Digital timer or stopwatch. In a gym, during a workout, the display could count down from 99 to 00, indicating the remaining time for a particular exercise. The same mechanism used in this project. Thank you. See you in the next session.